Hi, I'm Kristen Scully, and I'm here today to talk to you about tips for parallel parking.
My name is Debbie Barrett. The subject that I'm addressing is parallel parking.
Hi, I'm Denise, and today I'm going to give you some tips on parallel parking.
My name's Dan Barfoldi. Today I'm going to talk about parallel parking.
Tyrone Kendall. I love parallel parking.
The first tip is when you're approaching a space, you need to make sure that the space will fit your car.
Pull up beside the space and see if there's an adequate amount of room and see if you're going to be able to fit in there.
Law number one is that you become parallel with the car in front of the space you're trying to get into.
You pull up.
As close to the car in front as you can.
Even with the car in front of the parking space.
Have your signal on by this point.
Put it in reverse and back up.
It probably goes without saying, your cell phone should have been hung up about 3 minutes ago.
One of the tips for parallel parking is that when your back tire is next to the back tire of the car that would be in front of you,
You'll want to turn your wheel all the way towards the curb, backing slowly into the parallel parking spot.
So you're going to turn the front of the car out while you still back up.
and then you slowly, and the key is slowly, back in.
Once your rear passenger door is even with their rear bumper,
That's when you start turning your steering wheel the other way and pull in.
So when you start to do what I call the whip,
You continue to back in and swing the front end around.
it will come in right behind the rear bumper of the car in front of you.
at that point you'll rock back and forth.
And then you just pull up and straighten up.
Is where you center yourself.
And then you can move the car forward or backwards kind of for good spacing between the various cars.
And that's it.
And again, one of the tips, the biggest tips is take it slowly.
And that's how you do a perfect parallel park.
It's a lovely sight.